Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
A minimalist living room decor embodies the essence of simplicity and intentional design, fostering a serene and uncluttered space that celebrates the beauty of essential elements. Striving for a harmonious balance between form and function, a minimalist living room embraces clean lines, a restrained color palette, and purposeful furnishings to create an atmosphere of tranquility and understated elegance. The color scheme in a minimalist living room is typically subdued, often centered around neutral tones such as whites, grays, and muted earthy hues. This minimalist palette not only contributes to a sense of calmness but also allows each carefully chosen element to stand out. The absence of bold colors promotes a visually cohesive and uncluttered aesthetic, emphasizing the purity of design. Furniture in a minimalist living room is selected with a discerning eye for both aesthetics and functionality. Streamlined and unadorned, the furnishings prioritize clean lines and a sense of openness. Essential pieces, such as a low-profile sofa, a sleek coffee table, and minimalistic storage solutions, serve their purpose without unnecessary embellishments, contributing to the overall sense of simplicity. Decor in a minimalist living room is purposefully curated, with each item serving a specific role in the design narrative. Artwork, if present, is often singular and impactful, becoming a focal point against the subdued backdrop. A carefully chosen plant or a sculptural piece adds a touch of nature and texture, contributing to the overall sensory experience without disrupting the minimalist aesthetic. Textures play a crucial role in a minimalist living room, introducing a tactile richness within the restrained color palette. A soft rug underfoot, smooth surfaces of furniture, and the warmth of natural materials like wood or stone create subtle variations that add depth to the space. These tactile elements become essential in a minimalist setting, offering a nuanced and sensory experience. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated into the design of a minimalist living room. Built-in shelving or discrete cabinets maintain the uncluttered look while providing concealed storage for items. The focus is on functionality, ensuring that storage solutions serve their purpose without compromising the overall aesthetic coherence of the space. In essence, a minimalist living room decor is a testament to the power of simplicity and purposeful design. It is not merely a stylistic choice but a mindful approach that values the essence of each element within the space. By stripping away excess and embracing a refined aesthetic, a minimalist living room becomes a haven of tranquility, inviting a sense of calm and contemplation into the heart of the home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!